Dollar index continued its bearish run last week. It has gone close to the support levels at 102 and it has achieved 102.1 and bounced back and closed the week at 102.85. Now, what does this mean for dollar index? As we can see diminishing body size here, can we expect this as a reversal sign? Is the retracement over? Is it the dollar index going to fly? Or we are looking forward to more bears ahead? Which position you should take trading dollar next week? We will see with the help of and indicate. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest update on major global markets and commodities. Let's start first to look into the monthly charts. And yes, towards the end of this analysis, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. See now the dollar index here is certainly trading in this reversal channel. It has formed earlier the base here. With that as base, we have seen it rising. It has erased all the gains from the last 3 months in a single candle. In the single month, see this is the most bearish month in last or year 2023. You can say this is the most bearish month which we had seen. Now, what it has done after three greener candles, it has shown first red candle. It has also left a tail on the downside, suggestive of that once the prices drops below 102, we can expect that the bears will take over and we are looking forward to 101 and $100 levels. But is it the case? Can we expect it to continue with the downward move? Next week holds the key that which direction it wants to take. If you see it is staying below 102, we can expect more bearishness is going to prevail in the month of December and we are looking forward to a major fall. But certainly after this strong bearish momentum, there should be a little retracement. Now look at the movement here. See, first of all, the DXY achieved to the highs here, formed the base at the 20 period moving average and started to rise. Now this is an immediate reversal and it is taking the support from the 20 months moving average where the moving averages are still trading parallel and are still bullish. See, monthly stochastic which is entered into overbought zone has cooled down a bit. Look at the MACD. This is the only sign on the MACD. See, this was the time where the DXY has achieved or scaled to the highs. And see, this is a retracement which is happening right now. After the sharp rise, you can see the slope is changed and it is trading bearish. It can continue here for a while before reversing. Thus, it appears that some point of time in December, it may find the bottom and bounce back. That is what we can look forward to. But right now, it appears still to be trading with the bearish bias. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the now on the weekly charts, one major important observation here is the sharp bearish move, diminished bearish move, and then a reversal sign probably where we can look at the prices fail to stay bearish here and bounce back and it is closed in an indecision mode. Also, if you notice here, lower highs, lower lows. Thus, once you see the price is staying above 103, you can say that it is trying to reverse, or rather, I will say not 103 but 103.5 levels. Yes, if you see it is staying beyond 103.5 in the coming week, you can say that this is the reversal and the DXY is now going to fly high. See what has happened, the rise, the retracement, and precisely it is almost close to 50% of the move, and from these levels it is bound, if it bounces back it is going to fly high towards the sky high level. Thus the coming week holds the key that which direction it wants. Any drop below 102 will be definitely a bearish indication for the dollar index for the coming week. We have to be very careful. We have to observe how it behaves at around 103, 103.5 levels. Stochastic has also come to oversold levels on the weekly chart. See, also one must notice, see here was the bottom. It took much of the time, it stayed there, and with just 50% of the retracement, it has hit a bottom. This is the beauty. Now hitting the bottom, it can bounce back and scale to the fresh high. This is also possible. Now look at the MACD. This is only a worry point that the MACD has just crossed over. It is trading with divergence just two candles away, and it is trading with much divergence that it can hit a bottom again. Now, see, certainly this is where the DXY scale to the highs post COVID. A sharp slump is seen sitting at the bottom. See, this is how it is creates the bottom. This time it is create in fact triple bottom before bouncing back. But it is returning or reversing from almost not even the midway here. Thus, it is making me cautious that is this the reversal or is this just a retracement and it can bounce back. Next week is going to be the key, and 102 levels and 103.5, 104 levels holds the answer for this. RSI looking downwards and it is also trading bearish. Coming to the day. Now, on the daily charts, what has happened here is after the drop, it is consolidated here, it has bounced back and achieved lower highs. Now, even if you observe the lower highs for this after from or the top of this channel is somewhere here at around 103.5, 104. Now, this zone plays a major role here because see, it has hit a bottom and it should scale a little on the upside. How far 103.804 levels should get achieved? Even if it is bearish, it can scale to those levels, and from those levels we will decide which direction it wants to take. Now see, what has happened here is after the rise, this is a good flag formation, and if it breaks out beyond this zone, if it stays beyond 104, you can say a major breakout can be expected from those levels towards the buy side. The moving averages have crossed over for the bearish move. The 50 and 100 are also on the verge of a crossover. Now look at last three candles, higher highs, higher lows. Now 102.5 and 102 holds the key for the coming week. If the DXY stays below 102.5 and 102, consider that as a breakout, consider that as a bearish move. Stochastic is seen rising, looking upwards. The MACD, most interestingly, the MACD has almost come to the bottom levels. See, this was the lows earlier from where we have seen the rise. And see, very enormous rise was seen from these levels. Now it has almost hit the same levels. Can it bounce back? That is what I will look forward to. RSI has hit the bottom, trying to rise. Coming to the 4. Now look at 4-hour charts. See higher lows, higher highs, staying in this. And now for the coming week, coming charts, we have to wait for it to stay below first 102.7. Below 102.7, we can look forward to 102.4, 102.5, and then 102. If the DXY stays below 102, the major drop is expected, where I will look forward to 101.8 and 101.5 as the major support zone, and below that further drop will take it till towards 101. Now also on the 4-hour chart, it appears it is retracing after this drop, and hence on the upside, the same levels 103.8, 104 needs to be breached out in order to confirm a reversal. Now see, a strong bearish move is seen. Too much of divergence calls for it to converge. A crossover here on the 4-hour charts will call for the bulls. Stochastic has dropped. MACD has seen good enough divergence. It has still a scope for it to continue. RSI is comfortable. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably not only the dollar index but also the associated currencies, commodities, and instruments which are linked to the dollar. But before I give you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28 batches announced. You can be part of it. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And if you want trading signals where you can just trade as per the signals, major global markets and commodities, you can join my Telegram channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Again, reach out to me for more details. And yes, let me introduce my platform www.forexfunder.com. Here, this is a trader by the this is a platform by the trader and for the traders. Yes, it has everything which is required to a trader, be it the education part, be it the insights of the markets, where we do discuss every Sunday what to expect from the markets in the coming week. Also, I take up your live questions and answer here. And the important part is the breaking news section, where you get the all global stories from top stories from across the globe. The next is people ask me where you can get the economic calendar and the data releases. Here is the economic calendar available to you. The charts are available. Anything which is getting traded across the globe is available here. You can just find your favorite chart, do the charting, do the analysis. Also, if you need any consultation or guidance, if you need any expert advice, you can book a call with me. And the important part is the availability of the discussion forum. Thus, visit the platform www.forexfunder.com and make the most out. Now let's talk about where you should take a buying position. I will recommend you to buy here at 103, definitely, which was the resistance level. Wait for 103.2 and then 103.5 levels. Once this complete zone is taken over, once the price stays beyond 103.5, you can say that we are looking forward to a little bullish move towards 103.8 and 104, and any point of time in the month of December or next week, if you see prices staying beyond 103.8, 104, you can treat this as a reversal, and I will look forward to 105. See, this is applicable not only for this week, this month, but it can also be applied for the next few trading sessions. few trading sessions in the coming few weeks. If the price stays above 104, certainly treat this as a bullish reversal, and we can look forward to more bullishness towards 106 and higher levels. Sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside, where you should sell. Now, on the downside, we have seen that 102.5 and 102. So you can sell here at 102.7. Expect 102.5, 102.4 as the support zone. This is going to be a stronger support zone. Below this is where the bears will take over for 102, and then below 102 even 101.8 levels will come into picture, then 101.45, and then 101. Now this is going to be the next milestone. If it stays bearish from the current levels, we have to be trading with caution. Below 101 is where we will see the century. Yes, it can trade bearish, but I do expect it to bounce back. Mostly we will see a range bound movement. Specifically, the bearishness will prevail if you see the prices staying below 102 levels. This is going to be critical. If it stays below 102, more bearishness is going to prevail. You have to watch out more carefully. And the next week is going to be the decisive decision week, where we may see the DXY taking a direction. Watch out carefully for the next week. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Join my free Telegram channel to get the live updates, or join my platform forexfunda.com. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead.